Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today I have a little, not too big, of an H&M haul for spring and summer. I'm not gonna lie, there's some really good pieces and then some really terrible pieces. Would have been with my hits and misses recently, whatever. I'll talk to you guys about it, tell you what to avoid, tell you what you might want to pick up, so on and so forth. So let's dive in. Let's start with shoes. I have been loving H&M shoes. I got 2 pair in my last haul, flats, and I wanted to try 2 new pair. But I will say I need to get them in a different size because these are too small. I got my 6, which is my smaller of my size, and I need a size up to 7. So if you were looking at these, if you're like a half size, go to your bigger size. So first are these little like mesh braided flats. I think these are so cute for the summertime, and I do not own like a white shoe, but I feel like this is kind of like a creamy white and I'm obsessed. I just need, like I said, a smaller or a bigger size. So I'm gonna trade these in for a 7, but I think these are gonna look cute with dresses, with shorts, with skirts, with jeans, everything. I love them. So that's the first thing. Then were these. Okay, now when I first saw shoes like these, I was like, disgusting, but I also thought that about the jelly flats, and now I want those. So, again, I need to get these in a larger size. These are interesting. There's a couple reasons why. First, they're red mesh, okay, with the little bow on them. Too cute, okay? These are very tight because they're like mesh, so I would, like I said, size up, or go with your bigger size if you're half size. These these start like halfway up the foot. So it's interesting. I was curious to try because it's very much like a slipper. Do you know what I mean? But I think they're really cute and I think they're kind of fun. And I don't know, I feel like for the summer in Texas, these are perfect. They're like a lightweight shoe, but a little dressier than a sandal. I don't know, but like I said, need a bigger size. What do we think? Are these a hit? Are these a miss? I think they're really cute. I'm between these and the jelly sandals. I think these are more versatile than the jelly sandals, but I kind of want the jelly sandals. Old Navy has a pair that I'm thinking about grabbing. All right, let's dive into the clothes. I clearly have like a theme here. It's like white, blue, and red. So yeah, let's start with the first that was an absolute miss, okay? I had a pair of jeans like this, I still have them, from Zara, and I just feel like ever since having my child, that was 5 years ago, girl. It doesn't matter, my body's just changed, okay? And I carry my chunk-a-dunk in my hips, and it pulls, and I don't like it. Same thing with these kind of as well. So I'd been on the hunt for a white pair that were similar to the Zara ones, but I was hoping that going up a size would be a little bit more forgiving. Slightly is. These are a size 6. I thought I got an 8. No big deal. But these are just too short on me. I love the culottes. I love this sort of like big wide pant that hits, but it needs to hit like mid shin and it's hitting like top shin. So unfortunately for me, just for the size, if you're short, check them out. You could let them out, but I just don't love them enough to let them out, so I'm not gonna. But they're a denim material. I think they're really cute, but like I said, the size, just the length was not good on me. And if I were to get them altered, I would also go up a size just because I would want a little bit looser of a fit. With those kind of pants, I don't like skin tight pants. I like more of a loose, flowy fit. Next up is an item that I already own. I think these are cream though, where my other ones are white. These are linen shorts. I own, I think, 2 pairs, and my previous ones were a size 6, so I decided to go into an 8, but unfortunately these are too big. I just wanted to see if giving like a little bit extra, like getting a size up, would give me a different look, and unfortunately it's just too big in the waist. So I'm gonna just keep my 6s in the white. I do like the cream, but if you're looking for a good linen shorts, like I said, these are trouser shorts, so they're so easy to dress up. So if you're wanting to wear shorts but don't want to be denim, grab these. I own them in black and in white. This was just like the cream. I think it's cream. And unfortunately the 8 is too big, so those are back. This I want to exchange. Okay, I love this. I love this blue, white, and like, it's kind of a reddy orange, I can't really tell. I just got it in a medium and it's way too big. Like, I want it to be a little bit smaller, so I'm gonna go with a small, but I am going to exchange this. I love this. It did say oversized, so I should have just got a small, but it's cute. I love the coloring of this. Y'all know, button up, I'm a button up girl with white shorts, with white skirt. You can wear this with denim, I don't care, I'm obsessed, I love this. And it's not just a spring summer piece, I feel like it can be used all the time, and with like a red sweater thrown over the shoulder, I think will also be adorable. So yes, totally keeping that, just, well, returning for a different size, okay? Next, flop, okay? I don't wanna say this in like an offensive way, and I don't think that it is offensive, but like this makes me look like I work at Target, okay? Which, don't get me wrong, I worked retail my whole life. I have no problem with retail whatsoever, but I'm sure even the people who work at Target don't wanna look like they work at Target when they're not working at Target. You get what I mean? Like I worked for Sephora and we had those smock things, and I wasn't gonna wear them out and about, and I wasn't gonna buy something that looked like I was working at Sephora, you know what I mean? But I had high hopes for this because I've been loving these sweater polos, but I think and I wanted it in red, but I don't know what it was. It just was giving Target. So, I don't know. Is it me? I think it's not me. I think it's truly the sweater, but it's cute. I like the way it hits. I like how loose it was. I did get a medium in this. I thought by hopefully sizing up, it would give more of like a, I don't know. And I just thought with white pants, white jeans, white shorts, whatever, would just pop and be so cool and fun. But unfortunately, it's giving Target, which again, zero offense to retail, like at all. But I'm sure if you work for Target, you're also not gonna wear red polos because you're gonna think it's giving Target. Anyway, next up, I have this long sleeve, like sheer type shirt. I have a shirt like this from H&M that's gray. It's a little bit different material, but I love these sort of like very sheer. You can tell very sheer. I like to layer other tees underneath them. I like to pair this with shorts. I love to have a thin long sleeve that's tight, but I buy sizes up. I think I even got this in a large. No, I did just get a medium. So it flows off of you, but it's still form hugging because it's a tighter, meant to fit tight. So if you like those sort of shirts that, like, let me say this, like that don't just like box you out and make you look like nothing, but don't like cinch you in and like hug you in and feel whatever, just go bigger in a form-fitting shirt and it will give you that same kind of look. So I love these. I think these are great. Love a long sleeve. Throw it over a bikini on a boat day after you've had too much sun, whatever the case may be. These are great and I love them. This next shirt was giving me those scrunchy t-shirts you used to buy at the mall. Do you know what I'm talking about? And they pull apart like an accordion. I cannot be alone on this. Rue 21 probably sold them back in the day. Unfortunately, this is just so itchy. And honestly, it just was a little too juvenile for me. And to be honest with you, I don't use that term loosely because I wear overalls, okay? The more juvenile, the better. But this, I just feel like wasn't it. But it's cute. I like the scallop detailing. If you're younger, I would definitely pick this up. I think this is a great top to wear with like a looser pair of jeans to kind of like tight top, big jeans, whatever. I just thought the idea of it was cute, but it's kind of like scratchy. I don't know, not like scratchy, just not comfortable. So I probably would not reach for that in opposed to any of my other like white shirts, but it is cute because it's got like a cool detailing, like the texture, and then the scalloped edges I really did like. Okay, next up, speaking of juvenile, see, I love this top, okay? This is giving what I would have worn in like middle school, high school. Like this is giving Abercrombie circa 2005, 2004, this like baby doll kind of top. I'm obsessed. It's got this like peplum. It's got this big ruffly top. This literally is something I could have bought at Abercrombie or Hollister back in the day. I'm obsessed. It's got this like, what do I want to say, like crocheted kind of here. I love this. Everything about this, definitely keeping this. I think how I would wear this differently now than when I would have worn it back in the day. I would have worn this with skinny jeans back in the day or a mini skirt. Now I'm wearing it with oversized pants, but I think this is just a super cute, flowy, easy way to like elevate a tank top in a fun little top. So yes, totally keeping this. Totally cute. I did go with a size medium in this. Again, I didn't want it to be too short. I will say the armholes are a little bit big and so you can see my bra, but like I don't care. So yes, that is totally a hit. Next up is this dress. I need y'all's opinion on this because I think it's cute, But is it giving too like businessy? I love the contrast of this white. I've tried so many dresses like this, but I love this one the most that I've tried so far, this contrast. But I love that the contrast on this contrasts with the, or like ties in with the piping, or the stripes on the actual dress itself. And I love that this is an A-line dress. So I just feel like A-line dresses are very, very flattering. It cinches you in at the waist and it already kind of just like bows out. I love the length of this. I love that it is a tie dress. I think it's really cute, but I just don't know, is this too like businessy formal? I feel like I could dress it down, but let me know. I'm on the fence about that one. And then last but not least, I am not on the fence with this one. I know you're like, girl, you're buying a sweater in the springtime. I know, okay? But this is like a cute, good sweater to have when it gets a little chilly at night, whether you're, I don't know, we go to New York in the summer, and this is great for something like that. This would be great to throw on before a workout class, something like that. I love the polo style sweatshirt. I got it in this like white creamy sort of color. Love the collar, love the buttons, love everything about it. So yes, I did get this in a medium. I wanted it to be oversized, but I just feel like that with a pair of like denim shorts is adorable. Or sweat shorts or anything like that, just kind of like be bopping around. Because I know that like in the summer in Dallas, spring in Dallas, it's hot, but it also is kind of cold in certain restaurants and stores and whatnot. So it's nice to have like a cute sweater that you can kind of throw on, sweatshirt. And I think that one's like elevated in a way that I thought was different and really cool. I think they have a couple of other colors, but I just wanted solid. I think they have black and brown. I was debating on the chocolate brown, but I felt like this screamed more like spring, summertime. So that's it, you guys. That's my little H&M haul. Some misses, okay? Some serious misses, but some serious amazing ones. Like I said, I'm gonna exchange that button up and exchange those shoes. Let me know on the red flats. Let me know on that button up dress. But I hope you guys enjoyed, found this video fun and helpful. It wasn't a huge haul, but it was just stuff that I had been eyeing. And yeah, I'm in love with blues, whites, reds for spring and summer. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I will have all of the items linked in the description box down below if you're curious to check anything out. And I'll see you in my next one very, very soon. Bye.